The F-test ANOVA. Interactive calculator determines if there are statistically significant differences between the means of multiple groups. Let's start with the calculation mode drop-down menu. You can select 3 Groups ANOVA, 4 Groups ANOVA, 5 Groups ANOVA. From Summary Statistics, find critical F value or required sample size. For this demonstration, I'm using 3 Groups ANOVA. Now enter your data. In the Group 1 data field, type your values comma separated. Do the same for Group 2 data and Group 3 data. Each group accepts numerical values like the placeholders suggest. Click Calculate to run the analysis. The calculator processes your data and provides comprehensive ANOVA results. You'll see the F statistic, which measures the ratio of between-group variability to within-group variability. The p-value indicates whether your results are statistically significant. The degrees of freedom for both numerator and denominator are displayed. You'll also get the sum of squares values, showing variation between and within groups, plus the mean squares. The calculator presents an ANOVA summary table with all these statistics organized clearly. This tool streamlines complex statistical analysis for engineering applications requiring group comparisons. Find the link in the description below.